Numbness and tingling to the right arm. Some low back pain, but nothing too bad today. Just a lot of pain in that neck. I'm dealing with a lot of disc pain, C5, C6, C6, C7 areas. We're going to try to decompress his spine today to see if that will help him. There you go. Feel some movement there?
Yeah, I did. Great.
Let's clear his neck out a little bit. Good. Same thing over here. Relax. There you go. Perfect. How's it feeling in the arm right now?
Feels good.
Yeah? Any tingling down the arm right now? Any pain in the shoulder?
No pain. Still a little bit of tingling in the thumb, but I mean.
So even sometimes we get pressure off the nerve, it might take some time to go away, but we got to get this pain and pressure up there. I'm going to treat you this afternoon.
Thank you, sir.